Hi, Jonathan York from IRG BOP. This week looking at the increasing interest rate differential between New Zealand and Australia. As you will be aware, the Central Bank of Australia increased rates again this week for the 5th time in the last 9 months. That now takes the interest rate differential down up to 1.75. It's just a case of the Australian economy just growing at a much quicker pace than New Zealand. They're above trend growth. Indeed, the latest forecast now for New Zealand are that interest rates may not be increasing here until September. With Australia likely to move again probably July or August, the interest rate differential is only likely to increase further. That will add increasing pressure to the Australian-New Zealand currency, and that could represent some interesting opportunities for looking at your Australian portfolio. Maybe take some profit out there and changing it back into New Zealand dollars at the current levels. So call us on 0800 867 323 to discuss these points further. Globally, we've seen continued growth coming through in the global economy. Some good data out of the US. The latest jobs data there was just over 160,000 new jobs created. That was slightly less than forecast, but we're still on the upward trend. You've also seen some good data out from business confidence and from consumer confidence out there. And the Dow is now back to levels we haven't seen since the collapse of Lehman Brothers. So that's sort of quite interesting. Again, look possibly for the market to pull back a little bit under the current levels, but certainly dips are there to be bought as the environment out there is very favourable towards equities. That may be an opportunity for looking at the latest line tamer product out there, the Global Series 7, which gives you good overall exposure to global equities and is capital protected as well. On the domestic front, we've seen South Canterbury Finance have gained access into the extended Crown Deposit Guarantee Scheme. That will then take qualifying investors protected under the Crown Deposit Scheme until December 2011. We're already seeing quite a move on the South Canterbury bonds on the New Zealand Debt Exchange. They've come up in price quite a bit. And also expect to see some interesting rates coming out from South Canterbury over the next sort of week or so. Finally seen the interest rate has been set for the Kiwi Bank preference share. That's going to be set at 8.13, which will be fixed for the next 5 years. Will then be reset again for a 5-year period. Investment statement is available on our website, www.irgbop.co.nz. Access that for the investment statement, and also lots of interesting articles. Disclosure statement available on request, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.